Eddie Villarosa and Danilo Rivera. Fourth referee is Arlon Crebillo.
Where everything began for John Wilson.
2 minutes gone by in the first. Wilson, former MVP, hits a free.
But in a team like Basilan, they need him to play center.
Speaking of Basilan, one of their former players from last season, nadaanan mo yung Daang Maharlika, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, papuntang Isabela. Mga 10 oras din. Talio. Pull it back out. Ralph Robin. Tops it down low. Bobby B with a lefty finish.
It's the explosive power of Bobby B that sets him apart from all the other bigs. Might not be the tallest, might not be the longest. Pero pag naunahan ka ng tumalo ni Bobby B, napakahirap ng depensahan itong si Bobby Palocanag.
Sarangay. Pasa kay James Mangahas on target from downtown.
Siya, ito lang talaga ang bumubuhay dito sa Parañaque. Their outside game, Mateliano. And the second unit of Basilan has not provided the same energy compared to the first unit. Kaya ang Parañaque, unti-unting nakakabalik here in the ball game. They have put the lead down 5 here in the game.
16-11. Makoy Marcos. Tops it down low. Balukanag. Gumapang palabas. Nung first game natin, no? 2 beses nagpahinga yung bola sa ring.
Oo. Both in the first half.
Matiliano this time buries a free from the corner.
Once again, the outside
Sorry.
game of Parañaque.
Long 2 pala. Long
A
2 lang.
step na naman.
Oh. Ito, 3 points
Malinis. Kaliwete sa kaliwete.
of the MPBL. Patriot sitting on a zone. Owens. Mark Montuano at the elbow, specialty of the house.
The outside, 17 na ang kalamangan itong steal.
Monte, binawi. It's a free of his own.
Talagang mahirapan siya in times in his playing time. Si Pasaol as well was there.
John Ray.
John Ray.
Dahil ano siya eh, no? One and done ba siya?
Yes.
Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
And low action, Jervy Cruz realizing that there was someone open on the inside. Mark Montuano extends the lead.
Saka yung anak ni John Wilson, saka si Josh, anak ni Jervy, naging magkakampi din yan sa mga liga dun. Halos magkaedad yan eh. Marlon Monte with another basket.
It's just good to see that the next generation is slowly showing up, especially yung mga anak ng ating mga MPBL stars, and it's just good to see that they are continuing the legacy.
Naswak yung tres ni Jomar Santos. 38-26 ang ating talaan.
Every time Basilan makes a run, itong Parañaque always has an answer. Hindi tuluyang nakakapasok pero laging kumakatok dito sa pintuan ng Basilan. And Basilan right now is not attacking the basketball. They're shooting everything from the outside.
Santos high off the glass and in. Baba na sa 10. Ang lamang ng Basilan steal. Rebound nakuha ni Neil Owens.
Parañaque will just live and die off the outside. Running for 2 attempts there from the outside.
Robin again. This time he makes it.
Same spot, different result para dito kay Ralph Robin. They tried to create for that corner 3. Finally, it's a make for Ralph Robin. Pero sa kabilang panig, sagot din agad si James Mangahas.
Swak din. James Mangahas back to a 5-point ball game after that made free. Robin. Pull-up jumper. 5 straight points for Ralph Robin. Pinatira na pinatira.
Oo, pinapashoot ako.
So pinapulot mo.
Oo, parang ganon, parang ganon. I was in grade 5, nagpupulot siya. But who would have thought that a few years after, di ba?
Pusup si Patiliano, count it plus a foul. This steal of the game is brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 Waterproof Speaker. Unstoppable sound, ultimate power.
No, Mark Matilla. That era. It was that era.
Siya na yung naglasal. Siya lang. Siya yung kauna-unahan eh, bago sila JV Casio.
Yes.
Mark Matellano follows up the miss. Man, those beta teams in high school, sunod-sunod yan eh.
Of course, you gotta credit. He part of that junior.
O sa ano na, sa seniors na si Jose.
Oo nga eh. Actually, probably could have been part of that junior squad as well. Sino pa nga ba? Marami yan. Diba? Si
Ano? L.A. Tenorio.
L.A. Tenorio, that's right.
Nico Salva.
Sorry, why are we going for JV Casio?
JV Casio, exactly. Magnum Membrere, tama. The list goes on and on. Louis Escueta.
Rest in peace, Coach Chateau Badulato.
Yeah.
But man, the number of talents he was able to produce in the country. Siyempre, ang isa mga may idol dyan, si Coach Mike Perez.
Tama. Uy, tatlo na lang ito ha. 59-56.
Inuunti-unti lang sila ng Parañaque. Parañaque is not rushing anything. They're just playing it right. The zone is making life hard, and if you can't make the outside shots, then that is a big problem for you.
Jervy Cruz from downtown puts it in.
We were just talking about it. If you can't make your outside shots off a zone, that is going to be a big problem. Jervy Cruz says, let's put a stop on this hot streak by Parañaque. Gets the 3.
2 minutes gone by. Moga throws it away. Mamadali si Robin. Bounce pass to John Hamon for 2.
Too fancy on that pass. Ito si Lucy Koga. Give them that steal.
Steal of the game brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker. Unstoppable sound. Ultimate power.
5-0 run in favor.
Ang dami raw kasi pinagdaanan ng Parañaque this season with their lineup getting smaller and smaller by the game. So the ones who stayed really have to play for each other. Visibly raw sa game na to, pagod na nga ang mga players ng Parañaque dahil undermanned sila. Pero sinabihan sila ni Tweety Santos sa huling huddle na push lang. They should conserve their energy by moving only when there's ball movement and more importantly, communicate. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, G. And they're just down by 6 points, playing with more purpose. Arnold Monte bumangga. Got it back off that miss. He puts it back in.
Against a playoff team like Basilan, they have a chance to steal this one.
Jomar Santos puts it in from downtown. 22 points, 11 rebounds. I remember that. That was at the Brenzy Giao Convention Center. It was pretty close up until late during the last minute where Basilan was able to hold them off. Tapla na tayo, 65 all.
The veterans are playing like veterans. They're undersized, they're undermanned, but the fight is big coming from this team. Good answer coming from Gab Cometa.
Mark Montuano. They go to Byron Villarias. John Wilson dinukot sa kabila.
No box out. Sabi nga ni Dan Sara, wala siyang magagawa dahil mas malaki talaga.
Koga steps back, shoots over Neil Owens, and drains the 3.
This is a team that will live and die with a three-pointer. All of their last 4 attempts have been from the outside, but they are making a few and they are alive in the ball game.
Cometa, pass to John Wilson. Montuano sa loob, malakas. Labanan sa rebound, sa ilalim. James Mangahas comes away with it, but lost the basketball. Thought he got fouled.
I think that should have been a foul. Double-double performance for Jomar Santos.
Cometa, Anto controls. Free throw line jumper from Gab, short. Got it back. Stick it in for 2. Koga. Bounce pass to Sarangay. Santos, shot fake. Lefty layup is good.
And how many times do we see Tweety Santos put the ball on the floor? Usually a guy that will go for the pull coming from the outside.
Basilan. Dangerous pass.
And they can review that as under 2.
Now here comes Marlon Monte.
They want him in the basketball here.
10 on the shot clock. Dangerous pass. Turnover.
Some good denial on the defensive end. They could not go to any option on the side itong Parañaque.
43 seconds remaining. Neil Owens to John Wilson. Deflected by Tweety Santos. Monte is ahead. Has Owens to beat. He lays it in, plus the foul.
That pass was dangerous. They were not sure if they wanted to go for the roll. End, natapik ni Jomar Santos. Marlon Monte on an open break. This is his comfort zone. One-on-one against a younger guy. A little deceleration. Unable to get win. Bataan only losing by 3. Now Parañaque is up by 1.
Mintis yung free throw. Basilan behind by a point. 5-second differential between shot and game clock. Cometa. Pass to Villarias. 10 seconds on the shot clock. The cut inside. Cometa. Gumulong palabas. Jervy Cruz at the stripe. Calmly sinks in the first to reclaim the lead. The veteran delivers. Nahirapan mag-inbound. Santos receives it against Bobby B. Koga. Mangahas for the win. Too strong. And that's gonna do it.